Cause I walk in the fucking airport, I'm not playing that shit. I got my fucking game face on. I look like I just came home from Elmira, some prison, some fucking weird. Fucking Pelican Bay or some shit. I walk through the airport like this. Niggas looking at me like my name is Crazy Mike from the projects. Everybody know Crazy Mike. They call him Crazy Mike because he broke up a fight holding the baby. And when you see the nigga, you gotta say the whole name like that. What's up, Crazy Mike from the projects? Broke up a fight holding the baby. I'm doing the profiling. I'm profiling. I'm standing on the security line barking on white people. Just take your shoes off, man. Put your computer in the bin. Let's move it. Now y'all know how we feel profiling. Everybody getting profiled. I profile everybody. White people, black people, niggas, other niggas. I'm profiling. Don't worry about me and these 2 bags of weed I got in my sock. Check this Chinese nigga out. He ain't got no luggage. Where the fuck he go?